let's get on to the next bit, the vapour barrier. My neighbour's coming to give me a hand, and our ages combined is 130. So stick around if you want to see something comical, because he's about 5 foot nothing. And yeah, we're just gonna do our best, guys. Stick around. Hope this goes well, you know what I mean? Right, this is us, 133 years combined. And the dog.
Yeah, the dog.
Don't forget the dog.
Don't forget the dog.
Yeah, you get the old, no, get the chair in there, mate. Put it under your lap in parts like that, that's it over yourself. That's it, mate. Now what you want to do, France, is come down about, you see where that coding is, France?
Yeah.
Come up to that line, mate, yeah? Yep. Right, now pull it towards you all the way. Right, have you got enough for the walls?
Yeah,
a lot, yeah?
enough.
Right, I haven't, so I've got to come over, mate. Come over about a foot towards me, mate. That's it. How you doing? I've got loads?
Yep.
So you're up to the coding, yeah? That line.
Just below the coat, or just above it, yeah?
Now put it on the line exactly, mate.
Right, that's it, I'm on the line, yeah.
Because if you don't, it's gonna start. Right, just go half an inch above it now, mate.
Half inch above it.
Yeah, look, if you see me, right, so there, have a look, look. I'm about there, look. See it?
Yeah, just about, yeah.
Right, mate. Pull it tight. flatten it just so it's going to be below the plasterboard. Oh, I'll show you what I mean in a second. And then what I'm going to be doing is putting some acoustic sealant on it now, and this will make it completely airtight. I'll show you what it is. Get in a big tub, C50, C50, AC50 acoustic sealant. And what you do now is just put it in between the vapour barrier . Bloody heavy, I know that. And gunk it all in. And this will seal it completely. So we've got 2 tubs of this, because I'm going to run out in a minute. I'll fill it. What you do is squidge it all in, and what happens, this stays soft all the time. It'll never set hard. Oops, there we went. And that's it. That's what you do. You go around and you do all the sides, all the way around. Have I got enough? Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing the window side first. This is where I'm going to be putting up my plasterboards. I think I'm going to run out of it, so I'll have to just do enough to do 2 boards maybe, and then I'll have to go and get some more. I mean, don't cut corners, guys. I mean, at the end of the day, if I haven't got enough and I think I'll that'll do, it'll bug me. So I'm going to carry on and get it done properly. I'm all over the place. I've done over here, this wall's done. And now I've got to do the window wall, because this is where I'm starting with my plasterboard. So I think I've got just enough to do a plasterboard's width. Hopefully. That's what I'm going to do. Right, the ceiling's all up. Apart from one last little bit, I've run out of acoustic sealant, so I need to get some more. But what I'm going to be tackling now is straightening up this window wall. It's bad. And how I'm going to do it, guys, I've got a bit of plasterboard here. It's factory cut, so that's a straight edge and that's a straight edge there. And then I'm going to run my laser level up there. I'm just going to do it that way. And if you can see here, you can see how bad my walls are at, because it goes down to nothing here. So I'm going to get some magic mix, which means a bit of plaster and some bonding, and I'm going to fetch my walls out. And it's the same as that at the top there. It's okay there, and then it runs out there. I don't know if you can see it, but it does. And there's a massive one here. Really runs out there. So I'm just going to straighten it all up, get all my reveals straight, starting to look a lot better. The way I'm going to do it, I'm just going to fill it all out, get it all straight, and then I'm going to go over it with some plaster. But the plaster I've got is out of date now, so it's probably no good. It's about a week out of date. But it's fine for this, it's fine for getting these walls straight. We'll see, won't we? And then when it's all gone off, I'm going to SBR it all again and go over it with fresh plaster, get it all really spot on. I'm going to be putting some fibre mesh over there because I've had to knock out a bit of the wall and bond it all back up, so I'm going to fibre mesh that wall, belt and braces, and that's it. Yeah. And does it work? I've done it for a bit of soundproofing as well, and like I've got the radio on upstairs in our bedroom, and it's definitely making a difference. So which means I can watch telly down there late at night, saying my wife will be in bed and she won't be banging on the floor telling me to turn the telly down. So yeah, I think I've got success there. Anyway guys, let's see how we get on, eh?